Hello, everybody. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. How is everybody doing? I would like to appreciate all you for being tuned into my channel and everything. I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. I trust everything is okay on your side. Okay, so like I was saying, I can't make this thing up, man. The market is just like this. I remember my last live session with my students. I spoke in length about this. I want to show you how powerful these setups are. Look at that. This was on a Wednesday, I think. And look at how the market moved, man. Like, I want you to see how it moved. How it moved. Look at that. If you could have caught this trade, you were going to be in this trade for about 3 days. You know, like I want to see how many pips, like 82 pips on the Euro USD. Okay, this is something that I can't make up. You know what I mean? Like it's that simple. It's either you see it or you don't. You know. Now the problem with a lot of people is they think they know, but in actual fact they don't know much. Okay. Now let's come again to today. Like there was news and all that thing, but a lot of people they got wiped out today. I think the carry had news. I think I want to show you how simple this thing is. Look at that. Just by entering on top there, you know, like before news even comes, you enter there. You're seeing a setup, right? Before news comes, you enter there. When you know maybe that there is news, you can just put your stop loss or maybe lock your profits just like that. The market could have given you a clear 93 pips, almost 100 pips, like in a space of less than 3 hours. You could have logged 93 pips, 93 pips, just like that. Come again to the Euro JPY. Look at the setups, very clean and very clear. Look at that first leg over there of the W. Come back again, waiting for it to give us the second leg. As soon as it gives you the second leg, you get your confirmation. After getting your confirmation, it shoots up your favor, and that's it. Done and dusted. You're out of the market, man. Look at that. 90 pips. 90 pips. The market is always this simple. I can't make this up. It's always this simple. I can't make this up. Like it's just like that. It's just like that. It's always, always, always this simple. I mean, how can I make this up? These same setups happen every single day. You just need to find your edge and find your momentum. When you found your edge in the market, then you kill. Then you kill. You get out of the market, you're done for the day. No need to be stressing, no need to be doing everything. I mean, a lot of people now, you can't question my legitness because you're saying, like, I've not been posting here, I think, for a week or so. You know, I was just showing my student results, and you see that everybody is catching in. Everybody who is with me is catching in. Now, I've got something exciting, obviously, as always, man. Like, um, I'm studying with like trading again with people, you know, trading again with people. If you notice something, guys, I'm not your typical trader, the guy who comes here and sells things, you know. I'm not that kind of a guy. I am a trader myself. I trade like almost every day, you know. And I'm not like going to be coming here and be listening to all what you're saying. That is why most of the times now you see that almost all my videos I've disabled the comment section because you know a lot of you guys you ask questions that are not necessary sometimes, or you put comments sometimes that are not necessary, and I don't have time to be attending to that. But if you email us at forexrockstar01@gmail.com, I'll definitely answer you. So my target now is to say, if the market can give us 50 pips by the day, I need to be catching those pips. If the market can give us 250 pips by the day, I need to be catching those pips. I'm somebody who is constantly developing themselves. Whatever the market is offering, I'm ready to take it. So as a, you know, like as a trader and as a mentor as well, I develop myself. That's why I distance myself from a lot of nonsense on YouTube, yeah. And I focus on my career as a trader, my career as a mentor. How can I improve people's lives? How can I help people to get better in this business? Now, look, so I will be trading with people. I don't know how I'm going to do it, whether I'm going to do via Telegram or via WhatsApp or via, the website that will be up soon. We're developing it soon. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I know I need to trade with people, right? Like I need to have people trading with me and we need to catch the peeps. You know what I mean? Like, so God bless you. I love you so much. Stay blessed. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Signing out.